nice guy. You really are. I need a dude with some grit.
I got grit. You firing me?
I need a close.
Oh, that baby love. You get this much every day?
That's not even our goal for the morning. Welcome to the 5%er system. Code Red.
The cupcakes. Let's talk about the cupcakes. So, on my birthday, for my birthday, I ordered myself some cupcakes. And so I sent my husband to the store to pick them up for me. So when he came home with a note taped to the cupcakes. And so this is it. Can you read that? This is what it says, right? And it reads, "This order was bought for you in honor of my husband, whose birthday is today. We love and miss him every day, but know he is watching over us. I pray your special occasion brings you joy and laughter throughout the year." And they purchased the cupcakes for me. What a happy birthday. And the amazing part is that they don't even know who they did this for. Me, out of all people, who happen to have written a book, who's an author, about self-love and healing from loss. And knowing that that loved one is always, always with us.